Welcome to Smash Tag Tuesday. My name is Fabian and let's roll the intro. Nothing else feels like riding a waverunner and fresh breath of air in your face. Water spray to cool you down on a hot summer day. The possibility just opened up with a lower fuel consumption and a bigger hull. Now you can take your waverunner fishing, snorkeling, spearfishing, even scuba diving. I'm here to show you what I use to get out and have fun. When we go out, and by the way, check out my other videos, we need to be able to find the spot and of course get back. And that's where this Garmin comes in place. That's why I bought the Echomap Garmin DV. It's a fish finder, a sonar and a depth finder. I'm not getting technical with the specs. It works and I'm pretty happy with the setup. We avoided drilling holes into the hull by mounting the transducer to the transom tie down. The wire is pulled through the disabled water spout hole, and yes, you can disable the hole on a YAMAHA EX. The head unit is wired through the hood and mounted on a 3H starboard. I hope I gave you guys an idea how to mount a navigation system on your jet ski. This is how I did it, and I hope it helps some. The only bad thing I have to say, like at high speed the transducer does this a little bit. I gotta put better screws on it. Thank you for watching Smash Tag Tuesday and stay safe.